Here it is. Free popcorn for every Atmos ticket that you purchased. Here it is. You know what? There are three posters of The Conjuring. So before we proceed inside, I'm gonna give you some my early reviews for this one. As you can see, the first poster that they made looks like a devil on this kind of red, totally red, and then the two main characters, Vera Farmiga and what's this one? Patrick Wilson, having their face off, like, but they're not being having a quarrel or being like a, you know what, something that they are fighting each other. Well, it depends upon the story or how the story will make a plot for this. But as you can see, both of them are screaming and shouting, or you know what, they are being terrified and scared. So meaning to say, and as you can see, guys, there's an image here. See, so they're not all alone. Well, as far as we know, that not only Valak are the antagonists here, but there are some devils, and I know this is some kind of a one of a hell movie, and I'm just being curious and at the same time being confused about what the articles that I've been reading on the social media, that some of them didn't like the ending, didn't like the story, they are not being satisfied with the screaming factor that they are expecting, and some of them they rate this movie for a 10/10 scores, 10 stars, and some of them really appreciate the value of the movie, what the movie tells about, what could be the story, what the most important thing about this movie, and some of them that they totally scared for this movie and they give the out of them, and they had so much fun, they keep on screaming. And some others says that there are some, what's this, loopholes, and there are some slow pace. So just let ourselves to watch for this one, okay? And that remains to be seen. And I'm gonna tell you guys and girls if this really a worth watching or not. But for me, I think this is a very good one. Okay? How many minutes? And bye. So excited. Join me now. Shout out to each every one of you.